We'll have to figure this out. I'm also super surprised any of my mods still mod this stream after we've gone off the rails. So my husband used to stream with me a lot, and then he didn't. And then we were in a weird phase, and now we're kind of whatever the fuck we are. But the way the stream started a year and a half ago to the way the stream is now, very, very different. I'm still shocked there are any mods. Like, who the fuck wants to put up with my ass this long? I don't identify with California. That's okay, Vendetta. Los Angeles is trying to ban commercial gas grills. Rest in peace. Oh, Korean barbecue. No! Whoa! Los Angeles is trying to ban commercial gas grills? That will destroy Korean barbecue. Not necessarily. Okay, on behalf of Asian Americans, Asian Koreans, Korean Americans, fuck me. While we do like the gas grills, we ain't got no problem doing it over flame. Like, the gas grill is convenient, but we do a lot of Korean barbecue on our outdoor grill, and we do it commercial. Wait, all gas grills? Just trying to ban on. Interesting. Because I do it on cast iron as well. I wonder if that's different. Y'all fucking crazy Californians. You don't double book. Oh, Mary Todd. I know. I'm a ho-diddy-ho bag right now when it comes to trainers. So, right now I haven't actually done it yet. There's a very, very tiny part of me that might cancel my trainers at the gym and just stick with the app. Because if I had to choose, I like the Kickoff app better than I like the in-person gym. I don't know. But I'm going to keep the gym membership because sometimes the trainer will pick workouts that I can do at the gym. Because I told him all the equipment I have at home, fucking stay-at-home mom shit, like bands and stretchy shit. So he'll program things for home and all my accessories, toys, or he'll plan it for the gym. So I definitely want to keep the gym membership. It's only like $35 a month. It's totally fine. But the trainers, I know I shouldn't double book. So far I haven't. I had one training session with one guy who was not actually a trainer. It was the guy who sold me the memberships, but he used to be a trainer, and he's really funny. So we just hung out, and he gave me an hour of his time. But I don't know. I don't know what to do. Honestly, pros and cons of both sides. I don't know. You are crazy as well, Kathy. Yeah, Mary Todd, that's probably fucking true. I did double book bad, Kathy. You are crazy as well. I am. I also have a lot of extra energy. I'm slurring. They're going to kick me off stream. I have a lot of extra energy lately. So, and I mean, like, the kids are doing well in school. Things are going pretty well. So I have time to spare and extra energy. I just figured I'd work out more. So far, so good. Handshakes are great. I agree, Aronia. Peri Peri's it's a magnificent pepper. Very different from Peri Peri bottles. From South Africa that is used as marinade sauce. Very successful global food chain. Let's go, Sean Luke. I'm down for it. Who run Bartender Town? Cabeza. Bloodhound runs Bartender Town. Dude is like, did you just break my hand? Yes, probably. Freddy's now sells Peri sauce. It's like a broken record. Sean Luke, I have some Peri sauce. Like, right the fuck now. Oh my god, I have some right now. Now that I think about it, I believe it's right here. Fuck me, it's right here. I forgot I bought this. It was on sale. What the? Peri Peri sauce. I don't know what to do with it, but if you guys want me to use it, I'll use it. Ha, that was funny. Okay. Moving on, y'all. I don't want to degen a half an hour past stream. We got to wrap up. We're wrapping up. Your mods are asleep right now. I know, Honey Badger. We're unsupervised. Bum, bum, bum. Does anyone else notice the difference in the vibe from when Malon's on stream from when Malon's off stream? I almost feel naughty. Yeah, mods are asleep. You can only have 5 rounds in your gun. Sean Luke, what is that from? To reduce carbon emissions. I get it. I understand, Vendetta. It's not California. It's Newsom. Nope. Deleting. We do not do politics in this stream. As y'all... Oh, I'm out of booze. All right. As y'all know, I'm pretty laid back. I'll take just about